little tattoos, and I got one on my face. What is this, a hashtag? Yeah, it's a hashtag. Good morning, guys. Welcome back to Vlogmas Day 18. I am here in Winter Wonderland in a little cabin. We got away for the weekend for, like I mentioned in the last two vlogs, for my sister's sister-in-law's 21st birthday, and last night was night one. It went well. We had so much fun. We played games, kind of just like introduced the weekend, you know, kind of warmed up for the weekend. And then today's just a full day of family time, hanging out, cozied up, watching movies, playing games. I know it's gonna be a good one. And I'm so happy because we actually got some snow. It wasn't on the forecast for the weekend, and I thought we weren't gonna be able to like enjoy some snow, but we have a little bit. I would say like a good 1 or 2 inches. And it just sets the scenery so beautifully for the weekend. Like, it really makes it like a winter getaway. We do this trip annually with Eric's family, but this is the first time that we do it with a creek front view, because it's like basically this area is like a big creek, and then there's houses around it, and you can go skiing, snowboarding, snow tubing, all that fun stuff. But this year is our first time like actually having a creekside view, so it's beautiful, and they have a jacuzzi. It's really, really nice. But yeah, we're just gonna enjoy our day with family. I'm about to head up to have some breakfast, and yeah, just enjoy the day. I can't stop staring at the creek. It's so nice. This is the room that Eric and I are staying in. It's so cute. It has such great cabin touches. So we have a TV here, and then we have this view right here of the creek. I love that lampshade. And we have the bed right here, these really cute sailboats. Everything is just so woodsy, and I love it. Here we have a bathroom and a closet. We haven't really made the bed, but it's nice and cozy. This video is just gonna be me showing you guys the view the whole time, because I just can't get over it. It's so beautiful. And every part of the house has such a different like angle, and it just looks so beautiful. This is the living room from downstairs. It's so nice. Partner of the morning. Say hi, Jaxie.
Hi, Jaxie.
You're so cute. Titi Loli's editing. That's what Titi Loli's doing.
But can I help you?
You want to help me? Yeah, you can help me. Let's look at the footage. What footage we have here. So first, we gotta close this.
Yep, that's you.
Yeah, that's me.
I'll see food. Okay, help.
Huh?
Wait, so what's the issue?
Okay, help.
Yeah, you're gonna help me. I just gotta open up I just gotta open this up first. Hold on. So I'm gonna open up. Yeah, here. Let me show you. You're gonna open this up here like that. Perfect, perfect. We gotta wait for it to open.
Look, the heart.
Yeah, it's so nice, right?
Yeah.
It's a heart in the snow. Okay, my redemption time is here. We're gonna do another cocoa stand. We did it. Finally. Thank the Lord. Let's do a cheers. Cheers. Doing it there? Yeah. That looks so good.
Izzy, where are they? Aw, you okay?
Hot cocoa, $5. Hot cocoa for $5. Okay, so this is what we've been working on all day, and it was so worth it. I brought it out here to take a little photo, but it looks so good. It took us 4 hours to do, but so cute. I love it. We got some snowflakes over here, polka dots, little icicle details, the hot cocoa sign. It looks so cute. I love it. And then in the back we did this little design, and I ended up doing like sugar. I just sprinkled sugar on it so it looked a little bit more frosted. And it looks so good. Now we get to enjoy it because these cookies are actually really good because they're cocoa flavored, so they have such a good flavor and taste. Lunch is ready. We're having some chili. This looks so good.
The chili with these.
Wow. This looks so good. Should I put some on top? And we got some cornbread, freshly made cornbread. Wow.
Honey cornbread.
Honey cornbread and with butter on top.
And look at corn dippers, yo. These are fire.
Love those.
You want some on top?
Yeah, can I get a little
And we got cheese.
a little garnish?
No.
Wow, wow.
That one gets big. Is that good?
Yeah, that's perfect.
Okay.
Thank you. Some cheese. Wow. Y'all better hurry up and come get one of these.
We're coming out.
You gotta ask me what it is.
What is it?
It's a chicken salad.
I thought it was chili.
Chicken salad chili. I should have watched JD make this so I can learn his recipe.
How about quieres?
It took like 10, 12 hours to make this, bro.
So worth it. Wow. That has a really nice kick. So good. 21. Can you do something for me? The way that song has been stuck in my head all day long, I've literally been singing it non-stop. I don't think I've ever even heard the long version. I just know that part of the song and it's just been stuck in my head. I look red, but it's the lighting. I just got out the shower. It feels so good to shower. The sun is already down, so I don't really have much lighting to work with for my makeup, but I just wanted to do a little makeup to just prep for the second half of the day because the celebration continues tonight and I want to get a little bit ready. If you wonder if I hate you, I do. That feeling of doing your makeup with a freshly clean set of makeup brushes and sponge is just like unmatched. It's such an amazing feeling. I wish I had the energy to clean my makeup brushes more often because I love the feeling, but I just hate doing it. It's just one of those things. Everyone is kind of knocked out right now because we just finished having lunch, so everyone's in like that food coma and just sleeping. And we went to bed so late last night. We went to bed like at 2 in the morning, so we're all kind of just tired. I took a nap earlier while I was waiting for the hot cocoa decor to dry. I took a great nap. It was only like 45 minutes, but it felt like a full night's rest. And honestly, I love these vibes. I wish I could do something like this like once a month, honestly. Just a staycation or like a retreat and do nothing but just rest and enjoy time with people you love. Oh, that would be amazing. What do you want? Can you do something for me? Guys, the way that it's December 16th or 17th, almost December 20th, and I have not done any Christmas shopping. Jail. I need to get my life together. Oh shoot. Why do I do this to myself? You think 21. Yeah, I need a different song, please, because I can't. This song is literally stuck in my head. I need it out. The house is so quiet. It's crazy. This is the calm before the storm because the way that the house is so quiet right now, everybody's resting, but it's about to go down.
You gonna pause that real quick. God bless the food.
Behind the scenes of learning this TikTok dance that we can't get out of our head. Part 1. Let's get it. Okay. Oh wait, this looks like they. Okay, so do you start like this? Oh, okay, so it's...
And then the rest is different. I think you can just make that up.
Okay, let's try again. Okay, so...
Oh, no, so. Yeah. So you gotta go. Damn it, I messed up again.
Okay, I think I need to take my shoes off.
I know.
Okay.
Flip, girl.
What the heck? Why can't I...
So, look.
Yeah, what's happening? I can't do it.
It goes.
George has not.
Bye. I just want to have a good night, and the rest I'm just gonna go.
Okay.
Go fuck.
You can see the sound.
Yeah. 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 So you
I
go.
was like, bro.
Karina, how are you here? And you're also here. That's so funny.
Hey, there you go. So yeah.
Okay, I think I got it.
Yeah.
Why am I nervous?
I messed up too. 5, 4, 3, 2, and welcome back. Okay. So we look together, but we're not. What happened? That's it. That's the one. That's
Wait, quarter vibe. Baby, are you coming for the ride? I just want to take a little ride. I just want to. You know what? You know what I would love to see? I would love to see a mashup of that song and want to take a sit. You want to be my lover? Because listen to this part. What does it say again? The part that you just said?
No. All right, we're waiting for him.
Baby, are you coming for the ride? I just want to see you sit.
We're cheering to health and happiness and life because
Baby girls finally turned
Get it, turn something back down.
everybody here probably seen Karina grow up.
Yeah.
Literally.
Grow up. Speech.
So here is to
21.
21.
I just want to feel your skin on mine.
Okay, babe. I just wanna
Feel your skin on
mine.
Feel your eyes do the exploring.
Passion in the message when you smile. Take my time. Something in you lit up heaven in me. The feeling won't let me sleep. Hey, Juju.
Cause I'm lost in the way you move. Baby, are you coming for the ride?
I just wanna look into your eyes. I just wanna stay for the night. We can drive. Maybe we can hit it for a ride. In the time of the lights. Man, this must be the light.
When I go to sleep, I can't even fall asleep. Something's got a hold of me. It'll take it over me. When I'm older, I'll be moving onward. Just hold me close, make me believe there's more to live. Around me go. In this case, we all know through. Used to be rough so I can breathe. It's only saving you running. Don't let me go, you wanna be OD. And then if I probably die in peace, just wrap my body in these sheets and pour out the gasoline. It don't mean much to me. Oh, 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 pero te quiero, perdóname, si hay vida, perdimos en la risa y lloramos. And part of bleeding my life makes me wanna cry. This one has no harmony, and I am only human and I feel like yo te amo, porque visitando es infiel, y que el hombre no quiere a su mujer. I wasn't faithful, that makes me a dog. Baby, I'm sorry that we don't I know it's so your friends just hate it. She knows that I love you. She probably just wants me.
Not the picture. Hey!
You know.
Happy birthday to you.
Cha cha cha.
Happy birthday to you.